Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our class. My name is Teacher Jill. How are you today? That's great. I'm good too. Are you excited to learn a new lesson for today? That's fantastic. But before that, I want you to look the things around you. What did you see? Look at to your right, to your left, in front of you, and also behind you. What did you see? Yes, Maria? A bag. Okay, very good, Maria. This is a bag. Very good, Maria. If more than one bag, we can say that these are bags. All right. Okay, anyone else? Yes, Robert. Chair. Very good. This is a chair. How can you say that in the sentence, Robert, if more than one chair? Very good. These are chairs. All right. Anyone else? Yes, Jacob. A pencil. Very good. This is a pencil. More than one pencil? These are pencils. Okay, that's great. We use this is in the sentence when the subject is singular or one. We use the word this is in the sentence when you point something near you. We use these are in the sentence when the subject is more than one or plural. We add s or es at the end of the subject. Like fan, fans. Table, tables. Chair, chairs. Do you get it? Very good, class. You see many things around you. You mentioned a while ago balls, the chairs, the pens, bags, and fans. These things we called matter. Everybody say the word matter. M-A-T-T-E-R. Matter. Very good. And we spell the word matter again? M-A-T-T-E-R. Matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. All the things that we can see are matter. Before we will continue our lesson, please look at the board. There are the following new words that we will learn for today. Let's read the following words. Solid, liquid, gas, melt, freeze, evaporate. All right. So this time, can I ask you to read the following words again? Very good. Fantastic. Hey, class, look at the picture. And what can you say about this picture? Yes, Anna? Sounds good. The water is freezing. Great job, Anna. What else? The water turns into solid ice. Wow, very good. I have another question, class. Do you know how water changes? Think about it. Yes, John? Very good idea, John. The water changes from liquid into solid ice. What else? Yes, Joey? Excellent. When the water freezes, it becomes solid ice. What happened, class, when we put that solid ice on the table and leave it? What will be the result? Yes, Ayesha, that's great. The solid ice will turn into a liquid water. Very good, Ayesha. Let's clap our hands to Ayesha. Another question. How about when your mom heat a water or boil a water? Yes, Joseph? There is a smoke out from the water. Very good. Do you know, class, that smoke is that comes out from the water? We call that a water vapor. Everybody say that? Water vapor. So that process we call evaporation. That means the water evaporates. Okay? So evaporates means the water turned into a gas. So that smoke, we call that a gas. Okay, class, look at the board. We will review for the following of the water changes. Number one, the water changes when you put into the freezer. It turns into an ice. Number 2, a solid ice melts and becomes a liquid water. Number 3, the water evaporates and becomes water vapor or a gas. All the things that we can see, we call that matter. There are 3 kinds of matter. They are solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, class, can you tell me again what are the 3 kinds of matter? Solid, liquid, and gas. That's great. How the water changes? It melts, it freezes, it evaporates. That's great. When we say solid, it has definite shape. You can touch it and you can hold it. Even you can see it with your naked eye. I have here an example of solid. The pen, a comb, a book, a spoon. All of these are solid. We can hold it, we can touch it, even we can see it. When we say liquid has no definite shape, you can see it, but you cannot hold it. And inside of this mug, there is a coffee. Okay? I see a coffee, but I cannot hold it. So like this. So, oh, see? That's it. You cannot hold it because it flows. So, what are the examples of liquid? Can you tell me? Very good. Water. What else? Soy sauce. That's great. What else? A wine. All right. Those are liquids. Now you can identify between solid and liquid. And now let's move on to a gas. When we say gas, it has no definite shape. You cannot see it. You cannot hold it. But you can feel it. Example is the balloon. So the gas inside the balloon is called a helium. We cannot see the gas inside the balloon. We cannot hold the air inside the balloon. Another example is the oxygen tank. Inside the tank, there is also gas. We call that oxygen. Another example is a ball. Basketball, football. Inside that ball, there is also a gas. Alright, we all tackled everything. So can I ask some questions? What are the 3 kinds of matter? Yes, solid, liquid, and gas. That's great, Jenny. How the water changes? Yes, Alberto. Very good. It melts, it freezes, and it evaporates. Wow, very good. So since you learned many things today, so we have an activity 1 for you. So this is an individual task. You're going to list down all the new words that you've learned today and you write the meaning of each word and use it in the sentence using it and they. Any question? So since you are done, so this time we have an activity 2. You're going to group yourself into 5. Use a leader in the group. The leader will going to assign each group to do the task. Write the 3 kinds of matter and then give at least 3 examples of each matter. You're going to draw and then write something about each matter. And for sentence, you're going also to use the pronoun it and they. Do you have any question, class? Fantastic. All right, so take your time. So this time, I will let you to present all your works. Okay, let's proceed to group number 1. I'm so glad that you've learned a lot in this lesson. Good job, class. Congratulations. Well, thank you so much and see you next time.